Christmas is just around the corner and it's the perfect time to be making your Christmas decorations or even using these as a cute little gift tag. They're a little Christmas tree ornament with a lint ball inside, and today I'm going to be making them using basswood, walnut and red acrylic, and I'm going to be using my new Falcon A1 Pro. When you open Falcon Design Space, you'll see all the free projects. Here it is, the Christmas tree ornament by the Crafty Socialite. I double click on that and I come down to Make It, and it will open up on my workspace. It's coming up with a warning, automatically fill engrave, which I don't want to do as I've got these as cut lines. Now there are two sort of batched in together. You can copy and paste these as many times as you'd like to take full advantage of the piece of timber or acrylic that you're using for this project. I have my Falcon A1 Pro connected. If I come up to the layers, you can see I've set it as line cutting on basswood 3mm. If I come to the camera, I can display my photo and then I can easily move my trees to be on the edge there, and as I said, you can duplicate them if you'd like to make more. From here I'm going to press autofocus to focus my laser head, and then I'm going to press frame and then start. It is that simple. The trees are finished cutting and they're looking fantastic. I haven't needed to do any cleanup on these whatsoever. So for 3 of them, I'm going to leave them very plain, and I'm just going to pop the little lint ball in the center of the tree. And they'll be ready to hang. How cute are they? For the next 3, I'm going to add a little extra bling. So I have some little crystals with a flat back. I also have some half pearls with a flat back that I'm going to glue on. And on the last one, which is this walnut, I'm going to do a very fine glitter on the edge. For this project, I'm going to be using E6000 glue, but any good craft glue will do the job. And I'm going to stick it on there so it looks like a little Christmas bauble. There we have it. And then we have the red acrylic with the pearls. Now I'll move them aside while I do the last one because it's going to be the most messy. And for this one, I'm going to be using a craft glue and a brush. And I'm going to paint the sides of this one so it almost looks like a glittery gold snow that has fallen onto the tree. And it's simple to just wipe that with just a wet tissue, and you've got that beautiful snowy look out of that gold glitter. So I'll repeat it on the other side. And there we are. I'm just going to wipe that with a tissue. I've just got a little bit of water on that tissue, and I'm just going to give the timber a quick wipe. And there we have it. So that beautiful sparkle on the side, and then I can add the chocolates to these ones too. And there we have the next 3. These, as I said, are great for a tree ornament, but also as a gift tag. So I'll show you it on a gift in just a second. Such a fun and easy project to do. Check it out on the Falcon Design Space. It's the Christmas tree ornament, and I'm Heidi, the Crafty Socialite. Until next time, wishing you a very Merry Christmas.